What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV, and today we're gonna do a bourbon banana pudding. All right, now banana pudding is one of these things, purists, right? They talk about cooking authentic banana pudding. You cook your egg yolks on the stove, and you add your sugars, and you fold in, you know, the milk and all this stuff. But you know, sometimes people have a challenge with that, you know, because if you cook the egg yolks too long and you try to pour it, you know, it turns into scrambled eggs and all type of things. So I have a recipe today that tastes just as good, and sometimes even more, even better than authentic. And it's not the traditional way. All right. So first things first. So over here in my pan, I kind of started layering it. And you can do Nilla Wafers. You can do the Chessman's. I like the Chessman Cookies. You know, they look good. They taste really good. So what I'm doing is I'm starting to do a layer here of the Chessman Cookies and the bananas. I'll do that again before we put the custard that we're getting ready to make. Okay. So obviously we're gonna start with instant pudding. All right. Simple as that. Like 3 cups of milk for each one of these. So I'm gonna pour that in. I'll do 2 of these. So that means we need about 6 cups of milk. There we go. All right. About 6 cups. 4, 2. Okay. All right. So now, also cream cheese. That's gonna give it some of that extra flavor. That's gonna be really good. There. All right. I'm gonna put 2 blocks of that cream cheese in there. We're not done yet. Sweet condensed milk. All right. We're gonna blend this together. There we go. All right, let's. All right, so listen, we got the custard is coming together. It's starting to thicken up here. Now we got to add our vanilla. Got some cognac. And we got whipped cream. And that's gonna kind of finish it off. We're gonna taste that. So we'll add a couple of tablespoons of vanilla. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cognac. Ooh, it smells delightful. I know this ain't your mama's banana pudding, but it could be yours. So. All right. We're gonna add a little whipped cream. Come on out of that. There we go. Oh, it smells good, man. Woo. I can tell you right now it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. We're gonna get this all blended up. Oh yeah, I can tell you right now. All right, so now listen. You take a look at this. Look at the consistency of that custard. We got all that incorporated. That is perfect right there. So now, you gotta taste it and see. That's amazing. All right, so now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put another layer on here. So I got the cookies and bananas. I'm gonna go again after we've done this. We'll sit it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so now we got the pan layered just the way we want. So now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna pour our custard. All the way over. This bad boy, look at that. Ooh, yeah. There we go. We're gonna kind of shake that pan a little bit, make sure that kind of settles down all the way down to the bottom. All right. And then, uh-oh. And we just gonna kind of decorate this top. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there we go. So we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow, it's gonna be the best tasting banana pudding you've ever had. All right.